In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Etsy account in a UK individual account. To get started, open your browser and go to the Etsy UK sign-in page. This is where you can either log into an existing account or create a brand new one. If you're new to Etsy, look for the register option inside the sign-in pop-up box and click it. That will take you into the account creation process. Once the registration form appears, you'll need to enter a few basic details. Start with your email address, then add your first name, and create a secure password. When choosing your password, it's a good idea to use a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols so your account is better protected. Make sure you use an email address you can access easily, since Etsy may use it for important account notifications, verification, and updates related to your activity. As you fill out the form, take a moment to double check everything before moving on. A small typing mistake in your email can make it harder to receive messages from Etsy later, so accuracy here is important. This step is simple, but it sets the foundation for your account, so it's worth doing carefully. If you'd rather speed things up, Etsy also gives you the option to create your account using another service. You can choose to continue with Google, Apple, or Facebook instead of entering your details manually. This can be a convenient choice if you prefer a faster sign-up process and want to use an account you already have. Just click the option you want, then follow the prompts on screen to authorize it. Whether you register manually or use one of the instant sign-in methods, the goal is the same: creating your Etsy account so you can move forward with using the platform. If you plan to use Etsy in the UK as an individual, this first step is essential and gives you access to the tools you'll need later. One helpful tip is to keep your login details stored somewhere safe, especially if you create the account with email and password instead of a connected sign-in option. That can save time the next time you return to Etsy, and that's all you need to do for this part of the setup. Once your account is created, you'll be ready to continue with the next stages of getting started on Etsy.